Good morning, dear students. Today we will do two exercises based on our first video. That video is also of omission or edit the words. Okay, so these two exercise of omission we will do here. Okay, so now without wasting the time, we have to start. Let's start this exercise. Exercise number one. We have to read the question. In the following passage, one word has been omitted in each line against which a blank space is given. Write the missing word along with the word that comes before and the word that comes after it. Ensure that the word that forms your answer is underlined. Okay, it means we have to also ensure and underline the word which we are going to write. Okay, so now we will start it. The first A option you can see, my day is the second Sunday of. This is the first line, and in this line one word is also missing. We have to identify what is that. Here when we are reading it, my days, so my day is the, so something is odd now, so we have to write here my favorite day. Okay, so in before column we have to write my. Okay, and in word column we have to write the missing word, that is favorite. Okay, that is favorite. And in this column we have to write the word that comes after it. What is the word? My favorite day. So day should be written here. Okay, this is completed. My favorite day is the second Sunday of. Then next one, of every, what every? Sunday of every month. Okay, which is very simple. Here should be in the word column there should be month, and in this column every, and in this column on. It doesn't matter that and when you are going to write month, then after you have to write full stop also. Okay, months then full stop, right? And then after on, that O should be in capital letter. Is that clear? Now the next is always goes to cinema to see. This is very simple use of article. Goes to the cinema. To will be written here. The will be in word column and cinema will be in after column. Okay. So this is, and I hope that you understood it. The here is also use of article. Some important words or articles, verbs, prepositions, conjunctions, these can be omitted and we have to identify them very carefully. Okay, now the next line D number option is to see a film. My father the ticket. My father the ticket. Here something is missing. You can see my father the ticket. So here something is missing. What is it? We have to know it. What the here missing in this my father? So we can say gets. My father gets. So here we have to write gets, and then in before column we have to write father. Here we have to write father, and here we have to write the in after column. Is that clear? Now next is and of us take the bus. There is there in the, in E number option we have to notice this thing, and of us, and of us take the bus. There in the. What is missing? Can you guess? Yeah. So here you can see and of us. Something is missing in this. And of us. Something is missing in this. Only and of us, not a suitable word, not a suitable phrase. So what is missing here? And all of us. So and should be written in before column and all should be in word column and of should be in after column. Okay, come to the next. In F number, interval father buys peanuts and I. In the interval, in the first one also we can read this also. In the interval, father buys peanuts. Buys for whom? Buys us. Okay, here we have to mind this thing that and all of us. Okay, so it means us is also missing here. So us is missing before column. Buys us peanuts in after column. Clear? So now we have to come to the next point, that is G number. Love sit. So here is a rule that you have to mind this thing. When two verbs are written, like verb is also written, then once again verb is written, verb first form is written. Any verb, any finite verb is written here, then after verb's first form is written, so we have to use infinitive at there, infinitive to at there. Okay, so verb plus to plus v1. Okay, love to sit. So to will be missing here. Love will written in before column and sit will written in after column. Is that okay? Now we have to come to the next point, that is H number. Here the sentence is written, phrase is written, but we should not see it because the option is not given and the blank areas are also not given, so we have to left it, but we have to read to complete the sense of the sentence. So here, darkness of the hall. Let us complete it. I love to sit in the darkness of the hall, eating, watching. Once again we have to see, when two works are performing at the same time, at the time we have to use and. Okay, eating and watching. So and is missing here, and in the before column there should be eating, and here in the after column watching. Is that clear? Now understood? Some we are also discussing some rules like articles, like infinitives and conjunctions, like and we have to write here and, because two actions are performing at the same time, so we have to write and. We have to combine both the actions in according to this manner. Okay, so this exercise is completed. I hope that you understood it. And now the second exercise is the same thing we have to do. So without wasting the time, we have to also complete this one. Patrick couldn't believe Lucky. So here is also something missing. Patrick couldn't believe lucky he was, and see here is mark of exclamation is mentioned. Okay, it means something is missing here. What is that? We have to identify when mark of exclamation should be mentioned, when the sentence will be exclamatory. And this sentence is also exclamatory, and we know very well that exclamatory sentence will start always either from how, either from what, either alas, hurrah, you, or oops or like these kind of words should be written. Okay, so here after believe we have to write how lucky he was. Okay, so in the before column we have to write believe, and in word column we have to write how, and in after column lucky. Okay, clear? Now the second B number option was, here was answer to all of his. So here was the answer. Okay, the should be written here was the answer, because we are going to specify that answer. So that's why we have to say here was the answer. The word is missing. So what is the before? Before is written was, and after the is written what? Answer. Is that clear? Now move to the next point, that is C number. So we have to complete the sense, so we have to read first one also. Need not to read only the option in which the blanks are given, but we have to read also a whole the passage and each line to complete its sense. Here was answer to the answer to all of his problem, so he said only you do. Here is something is also missing. We have to see this thing, only you do, but we can't say like this. He said only you do. Here is connective word is missing. Okay, only if, right? He said only if, so only if you. Okay, so what is missing here? If. When we are amusing something, we are imagining something, at that time we have to write only if, or that, only if. Okay, like this. So here is the word is missing, if. Got it? Then come to the next D number option. He said only if you do all my homework at the end of, so at the end or till the end of the semester. So here should be till, after homework. So in before column we have to write homework. Okay, and in word column we have to write what? Till, and in after column we have to write the. Got it? Sorry. Okay. All my homework till the end of the semester, that's 35. What 35? What 35? 35 days. So days is missing here. So here should be written 35, and in this written days. Okay, then if in after column. Okay, that is clear. And after 35 we have to write, after days we have to write full stop, then written should be if, then should be we have to write if. Okay, then come to the next point, that is F number, good enough. I could even get as, what I could given. So here the what the word is missing. After enough of important word, that is work or job. we have to write job after enough. After enough means enough should be written in before column, then job, then comma and I. Okay, so job is missing here. Good job, good enough job, I could even get as. Then after the little man's wrinkled, what man's is given but another noun is not given after that. Here is apostrophe s given but next noun is not given, noun is missing here. We can see after apostrophe any noun should be there. Man's what? Face, because wrinkled is written, it means face is important word. The little man's face, so man's will be here, apostrophe s in before column, in word column face. Is that clear? F-A-C-E, face. And then after in the last column means that is after column, wrinkled. Okay, wrinkled. Is that clear? Now the last option is, that is H number option. Like a dishcloth thrown in hamper. So in the hamper, the article is definite article is written here. We are going to describe about the hamper, so we have to write the hamper. We have to see in the hamper. So in is before column and then after in the word column that word is missing here, that is article, and then after hamper. Is that clear? I hope that all of you have understood it well and this video is also helpful for you. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.